Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nira, and in today's video, I will tell you about some advanced configurations of PowerMTA. We will focus on the advanced configurations found in the config file of PowerMTA. Before we begin, I've also created a post on my website containing all the code and information we'll discuss. You can find the link in the description below. After visiting my website, you can apply the code I'll be explaining in this video. Additionally, if you've watched my complete series on PowerMTA, you'll remember that I covered how to install DKIM with IP rotation. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel first. For the advanced configuration of PowerMTA, you'll need to access the PowerMTA config file located in the HTTP folder. Open this file to make changes. After making any changes to the config file, you'll need to restart PowerMTA. You can do this by opening PuTTY and using the command line to restart PowerMTA. There are two ways to restart. You can either use the command service PMTA restart or kill service PMTA restart. If PowerMTA doesn't restart, you can use the PMTA debug command to see any error messages explaining why it's not restarting. You can then address the error and attempt to restart again. In the config file, when you enter your username and password, make sure the HTTP Management Port Use Authentication option is enabled. This option is already included in the config file I provided, but I want to explain some additional configurations. I'll show you how to create a delivery strategy for Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, and AOL mailboxes. Let's start by removing the default configuration from the file. I've removed the default settings, keeping only the owner IP, and added my ID and password. Next, you'll see that we typically set a global rate limit for all domains. This means emails will be sent at the same rate everywhere. However, if you want to set specific limits for domains like Gmail, AOL, or others, you can add those limits individually. To do this, copy the code provided and paste it above the source section. For example, you can set a maximum limit of 260 emails per hour for Gmail. You can add any limit you want using this method. After making these changes, save the file. Once you've saved the changes, you'll need to restart PowerMTA by running the restart command. This process allows you to manage limitations set by service providers on the number of emails they accept from a single IP address. You can use these settings to control how many emails are sent to each provider, such as Gmail or Yahoo. That's all for this video. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so, as I'll be releasing many more videos like this one in the future.